Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another crypto wallet, micro wallet that pay you like Faucet Pay, and that micro wallet is one of the best another wallet after Faucet Pay. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the micro wallet Express Crypto. This is supporting much more cryptocurrency than Faucet Pay, and this website launched in 2019, 2 years. This website easily make much more cryptocurrency for other peoples. Okay, the Faucet Pay traffic is very high, but Express Crypto traffic is not too much than Faucet Pay, but they pay you much more cryptocurrency. That's the best way. This website link available in description. Okay, the first you come here, just click sign up. The sign up is very easy. Put your username, email, password, confirm password, solve the captcha, and just click this to check it and just click sign up. You can sign up easily. Okay, just I have already account, just I click login. Okay, because I want to share with you how you can earn cryptocurrency in here and how you can withdraw your cryptocurrency from here. Okay, just I click login, and this is my wallet address. Okay, and now you can see I have this much BTC Satoshi equal to this much USD. I didn't receive any withdrawal because I didn't work too much in here, and this is all supporting of this website supporting this much cryptocurrency. Okay, and this is the withdrawal of Faucet of Boobs. I share with you the withdrawals in the next video. And in here you have a much more cryptocurrency, like, and now you can see this much EXE I have, this much Doge I have, and after this will be feel it after 1 digibyte I can withdraw from here. Okay, now you can see the minimum withdrawal is 1 digibyte, and this much the withdrawal required fees. Okay, this is after 1 hours this will be pay you and to your Faucet Pay or your digibyte wallet address. This is one of the best. Okay, you can easily make withdrawal after 1 digibyte. Okay, and the next one is to come here, just put it your withdrawal wallets in here. Okay, go to withdraw in here, go to withdraw, just put your wallet addresses. This is my Bitcoin wallet address, Bitcoin Cash wallet address. I didn't have this two cryptocurrency. This is my Dash. I didn't put digibyte. This is my dogecoin. You can put your ethereum classic I have, and Litecoin too. I have this wallet addresses, and I can withdraw to this wallet addresses. Thorin I have, but I didn't pay. I have Zcash. I can put this one wallet address to that. This one of the base. I can put the Faucet Pay wallet address too. This no problem. Okay, just put one wallet address that anyone you want, just copy it. Okay, and just come here, paste it. This is Thorin, just link it. This will be easily linked in here. Okay, and you can see this is all available cryptocurrency you can earn from here. The next one is you can exchange your cryptocurrency to anyone you want. Okay, daily limit of the buying selling is $20. Okay, not too much. You can exchange your cryptocurrency, like I have EX silver. Okay, 2x silver. The minimum equal of the for Satoshi you can exchange this much. Okay, I have this much BTC and this much dollar. I can exchange to any cryptocurrency I want. Okay, like I want to exchange to digibyte. I earn 7 point this much digibyte. Okay, 1 exe is equal to this much digibyte. Okay, this will be automatically updated every after a few seconds or after 1 minute this will be automatically updated, because this website is pay you like the real account of the digibyte. Okay, digibyte price. Okay, the digibyte price is right now is this much, and the dogecoin price little bit less of that digibyte. Okay, and you can easily make withdraw with digibyte. The minimum withdrawal is 1 digibyte. Okay, and you can exchange any cryptocurrency you want. You can exchange to be Bitcoin, you can exchange to Bitcoin Cash, you can exchange to Litecoin. Any cryptocurrency you want, you can easily exchange it, and you can make your free withdrawal. Okay, the next thing, if you want to withdraw with Bitcoin Cash, this is the minimum withdrawal of Bitcoin Cash, and you can easily make withdrawal from here, and this is the fees. Okay, this website link available in description, and you can start earning. This is your unique ID. I will share with you the next video about this faucet of websites I have, and I can claim all of these cryptocurrency without any working like that website is I have much more. And this is your referral link. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning website, and just work with this website because I make it withdraw proof of this website. I share with you after a few days ago, and right now I didn't have a view in here because I make some mistakes of the public or private. I just on it and then off it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye.